Class 11th is going to present a video on the festival Milad-un-Nabi. Muhammad was an Arab religious, social and political leader and the founder of Islam. According to Islamic doctrine, he was a prophet sent to preach and confirm the monotheistic teachings of Adam, Abraham, Jesus, Moses and other prophets. He is believed to be the final prophet of God in all the main branches of Islam. Muhammad united Arabia into a single Muslim polity, with the Quran as well as his teachings and practices forming the basis of Islamic religious belief, such as pillars of Islam, goals of Islamic law, etc.
5 pillars of Islam. First is Shahada. It is a belief that there is only one God, Allah, and Muhammad, peace be upon him, is his messenger. Second is pray. A Muslim prays 5 times a day from sunrise to sunset. A Muslim can pray inside his house, workplace or in the mosque. Third is fasting. A Muslim fasts during the month of Ramadan from morning to the dusk for 29 to 30 days depending on the sighting of the moon. Fourth is zakat or charity. An adult Muslim who is gainfully employed has to give 2.5% of his saving to the needy on an annual basis. Fifth pillar is Hajj. This is a pilgrimage to Mecca. This obligation is waived for the people who are in debt or cannot afford it. Muslims go to Saudi Arabia and visit Mecca and Medina.
The goals, maqsads of the Sharia are to protect and preserve the following. First, Deen, faith. Build places of worship, schools, Islamic centers. Second, life. Suicide, abortion, and killing of innocent people are unlawful. Third, family. Laws that protect the family, parents, women, and children. Fourth, intellect. Alcohol and other drugs are unlawful since they all impair intellect. Fifth, wealth. Preservation of property and inheritance. Laws against stealing, gambling, and corruption.
The Prophet said, "Do not wish to be like anyone else except of 2 people. Number 1, a person whom Allah has given enough wealth and he uses it righteously. And number 2, a person whom Allah has given enough knowledge. He uses it and teaches it to others." Eid Milad-un-Nabi, a festival of pomp and glamour, a festival full of kindness, love, sincerity, and teachings of Prophet, is celebrated all across the globe every year. This festival marks the birth as well as the death anniversary of our beloved Prophet, Prophet Muhammad. Also, donation of the poor and the needy plays an important aspect of this festival.
As per the tradition, parents narrate stories to their kids based on the life of the Prophet Muhammad, and many light lamps decorate their homes and mosques. The day is generally celebrated with preparations of a feast and family get-together. The major aspect of this festival is doing charity and helping the needy. Hence, families share this feast with the underprivileged. Apart from this, public gathering and processions also take place, where people give speeches highlighting the life of the Holy Prophet. On behalf of Class 11 Science, we wish you all a very happy Eid-e-Milad. Thank you.
أنت النور فجرا جئت بعد العسر يسرا ربنا لاق قدرا يا إمام أنبياء तेरी आरज़ू में जीना तेरी दोस्तजू में मरना यही मेरी जिंदगी है यही मेरी बंदगी है या हबीबी या मुहम्मद या नबी सलाम अलैका या रसूल सलाम अलैका या हबीब सलाम अलैका salawatu alayka. With submission, faith and patience, you convey the noble message, brought the light through your guidance. Peace be upon you, my beloved. يا حبيبي يا محمد يا نبي سلام عليك يا رسول.
किस्मत में मेरी चैन से जीना लिख दे, डूबे न कभी मेरा सफीना लिख दे। जन्नत भी गवारा है मगर मेरे लिए ऐ कातिबे तकदीर मदीना लिख दे। ताजदारे हरम ताजदारे हरम हो निगाह।
तो आज आप सबको मैं बताऊंगी कि ईद कैसे मनाई जाती है और ईद का असली मतलब नई नई चीजें खरीदना नहीं, अपनी खुशियाँ सब में बांटना होता है। तो चलिए देखते हैं। अरे जन्नत, तुम ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक। ईदी, शुक्रिया, बैठो, सिवैया लो। और बताओ कैसी हो तुम? कितने दिनों बाद मिल रहे हैं ना हम। हाँ, अम्मी अब्बू कैसे हैं तुम्हारे?
एकदम ठीक। और तुम्हारे अम्मी अब्बू कैसे हैं?
वो भी बहुत अच्छे हैं। अरे दुआ का समय हो रहा है, चलो दुआ करने चलते हैं। चलिए। अच्छी रही ना दुआ?
हाँ। अच्छा मैं चलती हूँ।
इतनी जल्दी?
हाँ, वो मुझे और भी लोगों के घर ईद मुबारक करने जाना है ना।
अच्छा तो रुको, तुम्हारी ईदी।
शुक्रिया।
ईद मुबारक, ईद मुबारक। तो देखा आप सबने कैसे जोया और जन्नत ने एक दूसरे को ईदी देके अपनी अपनी खुशियां बांटी और ईद मनाई।
The teachings of Prophet Muhammad. First, if anyone travels on a road in search of knowledge, Allah will cause him to travel on one of the roads of paradise. Second, they are the losers, those who make the religion hard and tough. They imperial themselves who enforce tough practices of Islam. They destroy themselves, those who are extremes. Third, what is faith? When your good deed pleases you and your evil deed grieves you, you are a believer. What is sin? When a thing disturbs the peace of your heart and give it up. Fourth, be kind, for whenever kindness becomes part of something, it beautifies it. Whenever it is taken from something, it leaves it tarnished. Fifth, you shall not enter paradise until you believe, and you will not believe until you love one another. Shall I not guide you to a thing which, when done, will make you love one another? Spread the greeting of salam among you. Sixth, kindness is a mark of faith, and whosoever is not kind has no faith.
Importance of Milad-un-Nabi. Milad-un-Nabi is the birthday of Prophet Muhammad, and it is commemorated in the third month of the Islamic calendar, also known as Rabi al-Awwal. It is a day to remember the teachings and the kindness of the Holy Prophet and the believers regard his birthday out of a desire to show their love and the devotion to the Prophet Muhammad. It is an important day for the Muslims as they start the day by offering the namaz and take part in other ritualistic customs. The message of peace, love, mercy, sacrifice, human dignity, dialogue,
Eid al-Milad is celebrated to commemorate the birth of Prophet Muhammad. It is believed that the Prophet was born in Mecca on the 12th day of Rabi'ul Awwal. This day is dedicated to the Prophet and the dogmas of Islam. But Eid al-Milad is a day to celebrate as well as to mourn because it is also the death anniversary of the Prophet. Good morning. Today class 11th Humanities is assembled here to celebrate the festival of Eid al-Milad.
On this auspicious day of Eid al-Milad, Muslims gather from the entire city for the special prayer which is like thanksgiving to God. People actually thank God for the blessings He had bestowed on them. People take out processions and shout praises about Prophet Muhammad on the streets. Gatherings are seen where teachings of the Prophet Muhammad are discussed. Children are told about Prophet Muhammad and his teachings. Most of the Muslim women cook special dishes on this day. Houses, streets and mosques are decorated with flags, buntings and lightnings. Imam preached that when a person dies, it is his only body which gets destroyed. The soul is not harmed in any manner. It preaches tolerance and forgiveness. Muslims are expected to grow awareness and to stay awake because Prophet Muhammad has taught them marvelous teachings to lead glorious lives.
The Prophet's birthday on Miladun Nabi, as it is commonly known in Muslim culture, is celebrated in most of the Muslim country and in India as well. Eid al-Milad is celebrated to honor Prophet Muhammad, who is said to have introduced Islam and then revolutionized the religions scene in the Middle East in the following years. People on the day of Eid al-Milad start their day with a morning prayer followed by a procession and large gathering in mosque. Children are narrated stories of Muhammad about his life and preaching as mentioned in the Holy Quran. The day ends with donation towards the needy and poor people. Friends and family are invited to be the part of the festival.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है जिसको तू चाहे है नबी तू बुलाता है। तेरे दर पे सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। बंद दीदों में भर डाले आंसू सिल दिए मैंने दर्दों को दिल में। जब तलक तू बना दे न बिगड़ी डर से तेरे न जाए सवाली। भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली खाली। भर दो झोली आका जी भर दो झोली नबी जी भर दो झोली हम सबकी भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली।
जानता है न तू क्या है दिल में मेरे बिन सुने गिन रहा है न तू धड़कने। जानता है न तू क्या है दिल में मेरे बिन सुने गिन रहा है न तू धड़कने। आह निकली है तो चांद तक जाएगी तेरे तारों से मेरी दुआ आएगी। आह निकली है तो चांद तक जाएगी तेरे तारों से मेरी दुआ आएगी। ऐ नबी हाँ कभी तो सुबह आएगी जब तलक तू सुनेगा ना दिल की से तेरे न जाए सवाली, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगी खाली। दे तरस खा तरस मेरे आका, अब लगा ले तू मुझको गले से। दे तरस खा तरस मुझ पे आका, अब लगा ले तू मुझको गले से। जब तलक तू मिलेगा ना बिछड़ी, दर से तेरे न जाए सवाली, भर दो झोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगी खाली। भर दो झोली मेरी सरकारे मदीना, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगी खाली।
Many people carry green flags or banners or wear green ribbons or items of clothing when taking part in these events. The color green represents Islam and paradise. Many Kashmiri Muslims gather at Hazrat Shrine in Srinagar, which is in the Indian province of Jammu and Kashmir. 8 houses are here that is believed to have come from the Prophet Muhammad. Thousands of people attend prayer at the shrine on the night before Milad an-Nabi. The relic is displayed in the mosque after the morning prayers. It was paraded through the town in the previous years.
After Prophet Muhammad breathed his last, his house was transformed into a prayer house by one of his successors. The celebration of Eid al-Milad became more popular during the 11th century, and it was first celebrated as an official festival in Egypt. During this period, only Shia Muslims, who were the ruling tribe in the region, could celebrate the festival, and the festivities were not extended to the general public. In the 12th century, countries other than Egypt, such as Syria, Morocco, Turkey, and Spain, started celebrating Eid al-Milad, and soon Sunni Muslims too started celebrating the day.
To conclude this speech, I would like to say that celebrating Eid is not just a religious ceremony. It is dedicating a day in praying and doing goodwill to honor Prophet Muhammad and his preaching, to reflect all what we have done by reading the Holy Quran and giving help to the needy and poor people, and following his footsteps by remembering him on such an auspicious day. With that said, I would really like to wish you a very happy Eid on behalf of all of us. Thank you and have a great day.